What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all the new subscribers. In this video, I'm kind of excited. We are going to be taking a look at the new Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating from Turtle Wax. Now, if you guys already know, I love Seal and Shine, and this is supposed to be Seal and Shine on steroids. So I'm very excited to test this out, and I'm going to be bringing all of you guys along with me to test it out. I'm going to go over a few things on the bottle. Ceramic spray coating, spray on clean, dry car for incredible shine and protection. Go over the directions real quick. Wash and dry car. It is a truck, but it is washed and dry. Shake well for best results. Do not over apply. High active formula. From what I'm saying, 1 to 2 sprays per panel. What I'm seeing, 1 to 2 sprays per panel is enough. Do not over apply. High active formula. Use 2 sprays per panel. Oh, okay. Spread and wipe with the clean folded microfiber cloth. Use a separate microfiber cloth to remove. Fold cloth as needed. For best performance, paint should be free of oxidation and surface contaminants. On the truck that I'm going to be testing it on, I did wash it, and I did an iron remover, and I clayed it manually. So I did a chemical and manual decontamination. I did not polish the truck because it's gigantic, and I just didn't have enough time in the day to do that. Apply second coat for 12 months of protection. Use a damp microfiber cloth to remove high spots or streaking. So if you get any high spots or streaking with the new ceramic spray coating, it says to use a damp microfiber, and that should take care of it. Superior shine and gloss, durable protection, repel water contaminants. I'm very excited to use this. I am kind of tired. I've been detailing all day. I wanted to shoot a video of this detail, but I didn't. So, but you guys are going to see me apply this, and I'm going to show you what I'm applying it on right now. And I promise you that it is as flat as can be on the panels. There's zero protection on this truck. So let's get out there, and I'll show you guys what I'm using on. All right, everybody. This is what I will be using it on. This is a Duramax diesel. This gentleman contacted me on Instagram and wanted me to detail his truck. I told him I'd have no problems taking care of it for you. It is all dialed in. Paint is contamination free, and I am getting ready to lay down this ceramic spray coating. So I'm gonna go get the tripod. I'm gonna get you guys set up, and I'm gonna show you. It's so big I can't really show you doing the hood, but I'm gonna set you guys up, and I'm gonna at least show you guys me doing like the fender into the door and whatnot. Give you guys my initial reactions and my initial thoughts on the product as well. I was hoping to do it in direct sun, but obviously it took me all day to do this truck, so hang in there. I'm gonna get it set up, and then we're gonna go to town. All right, everybody, this is just a quick clip that I'm gonna throw in the video to show you guys there is no protection on this truck whatsoever. It is as flat as can be. Zero protection whatsoever. Water's just laying flat as can be. Hopefully you guys are seeing that, but just in case anybody, and my apologies, I'm shooting this on my phone, but just wanted to show you guys the paint is flat. All right, everybody. Sorry that my tripod isn't that tall. I'm not used to doing monster trucks, but got my ceramic spray coating. I've got my 2 separate towels, and what I'm using the Shinies Details 500 GSM edgeless. In my opinion, these are the best towels in my arsenal. So go check them out. These microfibers are top notch. I got 2. I got 1 to apply the product, and then 1 to buff it off, just to help with streaking. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm trying to talk over the traffic. So I got the ceramic spray coating. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good shake. And it says 1 to 2 spritz per panel. So I'm gonna prime it off over here. All right. There you go, 2 sprays. We're gonna go ahead and apply this. Very, very, very smooth. I'm gonna use this one here, and I'm gonna go ahead and buff it off. Very nice. Very, very nice. Slickness is very nice. Is it the slickest in the world? No. But it is very nice. Ease of application is outstanding. It can't get any better than that. Any easier than that. All right. That was by far probably the easiest spray wipe on wipe off I've used. I'm gonna go ahead and move you guys up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this door. Now, since it's a kind of big door, I might have to do a little more than 2 sprays. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. Smells really good. I believe it is mango. Got it spread out on there. There we go. Towel. Effortless. I did have a little bit of streaking up here, but I caught a little bit of water out of the mirror, so that is not the product's fault. Quick wiping is gone. It is very nice and smooth. No, you're not supposed to do this. Very, very slick. Under the towel, it doesn't feel that slick, but let me tell you, when you touch the paint, it is very slick. So that can be deceiving. Don't let it fool you under the towel thinking that it's not that slick. It is very slick. I can tell you that right now. That's awesome. I can't wait to test the durability of this. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this truck done, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts on the Turtle Wax new Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. All right, everybody, I went ahead and went around the whole truck with the Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating, and all I can say is awesome. The Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating goes on very easy, comes off very easy. It's definitely a little bit easier than Seal and Shine. Now, mind you, the Seal and Shine feels slicker under the towel. To me, in my opinion, feels a little bit slicker under the towel. But the Shine and Gloss is amazing that this new ceramic spray coating gives. I'm really interested to see how long this stuff will last. But definitely increase the Shine and Gloss. I mean, look at this thing. It needs a full paint correction, but look at this thing. It is just shining like no other. As a quick walk around, I did use 2 towels. It's definitely, to me, it's a must. With 1 towel, you might be able to get, with this big truck, you might be able to get like the hood and fenders with 1 towel, flipping it and then buffing it dry. But just grab that second towel. It just makes it so much easier. I got around this whole truck in about 15 minutes total, and I did I did the windows, I did all the chrome, the lights. I mean, I did everything with the Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. So just want to give you guys a quick walk around the shine and gloss of this thing. Outstanding. I mean, this thing looks amazing. It's gonna be very happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get wrapped up, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the new Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray. All right, everybody, we are in the final thoughts segment on the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. I got to go ahead and use it on this Duramax, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my initial, I mean, you guys saw it in the video, but I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a breakdown. Application is really easy. It's definitely easier than Seal and Shine to me, but just a little bit. I mean, that doesn't mean Seal and Shine's bad. It's a little bit easier to go on and come off for sure. Slickness, I feel like Seal and Shine is just a little bit slicker under the towel, but that doesn't mean that this isn't slick. Under the towel, it may not feel as slick as some of the other products, but when you feel that paint, it's definitely slick, so don't let it fool you. Gloss and shine is absolutely fantastic with this product. It really brought out a nice gloss and shine on that red paint of that truck, and he was very happy with it. They do say after it's applied, it can be introduced to water, but they don't want you washing it for 24 hours. So don't wash the car or truck for 24 hours. Let it kind of cure and wait 24 hours in between coats. So if you want to do another coat, second coat, wait 24 hours if you can. I know a lot of people can't, but if you can, wait 24 hours, apply a second coat, and then you're good. With this truck, I'm going to be applying a second coat, but he's going to be bringing it back in about a month or two for me to do an update video, so you guys will be able to see that as well. I'm going to keep an update on that truck. I wasn't able to do a water test, but with the little clip I showed you, sorry if I had to throw that phone clip in there, but I wanted to show you guys that there was no protection at all on this truck, and I completely stripped it. I mean, it was flat as can be. So definite 2 thumbs up product for me with this. I'm really interested to see the longevity of this stuff. Sorry if I'm rambling, but I've been so excited to try this that there's a lot going through my mind when I'm trying it that I want to share with you all. Smell. Smells absolutely amazing. It's not a strong smell like some of these other products, but you just get that whiff of it as you're applying it. It's very smells so good. I believe it's mango from what I'm seeing, but it's just, you get that little mist of it, and it's very pleasant while you're applying it for sure. Anything else I want to touch on the Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating? I didn't get any streaking or anything like that. Yeah, overall fantastic product. Super gloss and shine for sure with this product. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to come along and watch me do this video. Along with all my other videos, I've had a lot of new subscribers lately, and I'm just very grateful and thankful for all you guys. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. Click that little bell. That way when I upload another video, you guys get notified. And thank you all so much again. I hope wherever you guys are all at, you have an awesome day, night, evening, whatever it is. And I will catch you guys all in the next video.